Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about the new Majorette Tune Up Serie 3 from 2023, and we're going to do it fast, including the codes. Okay, let's start with the first one, Ford F-150 Raptor, and here you can see the code HAD. So here it is with the tuning part. We got an opening part right here. And the skill is 172. Got suspension. Boing, boing, boing. The Renault Megane RS Rallycross GNA is the code. So here it is with the wider wheels. We got an opening part here in the back. Skill is 163. Next one is the Golf GTI Splash secret code PET. Here you can see it without the pink tuning part. I only put the white tires on it. Nice feature of this one. You got a subwoofer installation in the back. Really cool. The Mercedes-Benz G500 Desert secret code Buzz. Or is it? Definitely one of my favorite castings from the Tune Up Serie 3. This is a true 164. Nice wheels, by the way, with suspension. Not a big fan of the tuning parts. We got an opening part right here with some details on the engine. Lens headlights. Okay, next one is the Toyota Yashi Full Moon. KIW is the code. I think this tuning part looks cool on it. A very nice van. What is the skill? Let's check it out. The skill is 169. No opening part. No. Okay, next one is the Ford Bronco Wildtrak Michelin. BGE is the code. I decided to take all the tuning parts off and even the roof part. Also take that off. Looks much better that way. Like the Michelin sponsor on the side. Yeah, really cool. And again, suspension. And again, those cool tires. Here we got the Dodge Charger RT Green Machine. Here you see the BK code. So the BK code is 270223, and in front of it are these letters, and that is important. So I decided to only put this tuning part on. Yeah, here is the tuning part, but this is much better. I like the green color. What is the skill? 166. Next one is the Volvo V90 Shiny Traveler. NMK is the code. There we go. We got an opening part. Orange interior. Tuning part right here and here on the bottom. Lanced headlights. Then we got the Ford F-150 Raptor Jumpstar. Secret code AGC. Very big casting, but I think it's a 172 scale. So I hope Majorette is going to make a 164 scale of this one, because it is awesome. Not a big fan of the tuning part, do like the dirt bike on top. And again, I like these tires. Opening part here in the front, but because of the tuning part, can't open it. If you want to see what's under the hood, check my long video of the Majorette Tune Ups Serie 3. Audi R8, definitely a favorite of mine. OFR is the secret code. And I like this one with the tuning parts. You get a set of wider tires with it. No opening parts. Here's some engine details. Not sure what the scale is. If you want to know the scale, check the longer video. We got another Ford Bronco, the Wild Track, off-road, secret code Jewel. Here it is on top. So we got a tuning part right here and here on top with the canoe. Nice gray interior and shiny green paint. That's what I was saying. A scale, well, we can check the scale right here. Must be the same scale, right? 162. Okay, let's put this back. Whoa. Then we're going to the Toyota GT68 Rally Shocks. FTL is the code. Got that run right here. This is also one of my favorites. Not a big fan of the tuning part, but I like the wider wheels. And this is also a tuning part. Very cool. What is the scale? 158. And with the rims, there is a yellow line around the rims. Check the long video if you want to see it. Then we have the Nissan GTR Sakura. HRT is the code. I like the Sakura livery. Pink tuning part, opening part right here. Pink interior. And some wider wheels. Scale 162. And that's a little bit strange because here I've got the Nismo and that is a 164. Okay. Next one in line is another Volvo V90 Ice Mint, the nut. From the two Volvos from the set, I like this one the most. With a ski box on top, you can open it. Here we got the interior. Nice rims, Bilstein livery, lanced headlights. Scale, I don't know. If you want to know, you know what to do. Let's put this back. Then we have another Dodge Charger RT, the Sunrise. That one is right here. Oh, did I mention the secret code of the Sunrise? KUP. So here it is with 3 tuning parts, 1, 2, and 3. Looks kind of cool, I have to say. Nice color, by the way, I like that. Let's see, what is the scale? 166. Then the next one, the Mercedes-Benz G500. Second in line, NBD is the code. Yeah, awesome. I like this one a little bit more than the Bilstein or the one over here. And that's because of the colors. Tuning parts, the same as the other one. And this is also a 164 scale with an opening part right here. Yeah, it looks really cool. Green Beast CKM. Very nice artwork with the monster on the side. I decide not to put on the the tuning part. Just the wider tires was enough for me. Scale 166, 162. Yep. Okay. And then last but not least is the ultra rare Nissan Z Firecracker EQU. And here it is. Lots of happy colors. Different color rims, wider tires, tuning part with some glitter. And we got an opening part here on the side. What is the scale? Can we see the scale? 158. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share this video with your Diecast friends, and I will see you soon. Please thumbs up. You help me with that. See you later. Happy hunting. Bye.